You got the sauce, nigga.
You gon' keep it real with me or not? Cause you in the wrong, swearing you right. You gon' keep it real with me or not? What's done in the dark, come to the light. You gon' keep it real with me or not? I don't wanna fight, let's make it right. You gon' keep it real with me or not? If you keep it real, I keep it real. You gon' my life with me or not?
Alright, welcome back to my channel. I'm not even gonna do all this talking because I told y'all this video was coming and it's here. So I'm finna get straight into it. And if you haven't watched the video before this one where the girl standing behind me with that black bonnet on, she has a wig on under there. I put it on. Go back and watch that video, then come back and finish this one. But yeah, I'm straight into it. Put my glue on. Had to put about 7 layers because, like I said, bow hold does not hold at all. No type of bow to that hold. Nothing. That hold is a little scared. A lot scared. But yeah, you gonna see me putting all that glue, all them different layers. And yeah, I don't even want to do all this talking truthfully. So I'm gonna let y'all watch. Alright, y'all, so I done laid my wig. No, I haven't. I'm lying. Alright, y'all, so I'm laying the wig. I done glued my hair, and I had to do a couple layers. This wig, okay, I noticed this both. This not a good wig. Well, I ain't gonna say it's not a good wig, but it's not, like, made for my head or something. I don't know how to explain it. Like, I had to stretch it to work, like, to make it go. I don't know what I'm trying to say, bruh. I know what I'm trying to say. I'm trying to do this voiceover right, too, because if I'm going to be doing this, you need to do it right. Nobody want to be out here playing. So, anyways, what I'm trying to say, when I was stretching it, it was too small. Like, I know what I'm trying to say. Y'all will understand it. Y'all will understand it. But here go me touching it up and stuff. I don't want to talk over all this stuff and be mumbling and jumbling because I'm not good at this right now. So I'm gonna put the music, let y'all watch. I don't want to put the music for the rest of the remainder of the video because that's like, I don't know, but I don't know what else to talk about. So that probably is what I'm gonna do. So I'm going to be laying the wig, putting baby hairs, all that stuff. So, yeah, just watch, like, subscribe, and comment. Stay tuned because I have another wig. A TikToker sent me a video. A TikToker, Ekane, she sent me a wig, and I'm going to be installing that next. So, stay tuned and like, subscribe, and comment. Alright, y'all. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Like I said, I got that video coming up next from the wig that he Kane sent me. And yeah, like, subscribe, comment, stay tuned.
You got the sauce, nigga. You gon' keep it real with me or not? Cause you in the wrong, swearing you right. You gon' keep it real with me or not? What's done in the dark, come to